PiNetwork has captivated the attention of the cryptocurrency community. Launched in 2019 by a team of Stanford graduates, it aims to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies that require significant computational power, PiNetwork allows users to mine Pi coins directly from their smartphones. This innovative approach has democratized the mining process, making it possible for anyone with a smartphone to participate. Its unique mobile mining approach has attracted millions of users. The app is designed to be user-friendly, requiring minimal technical knowledge, which has contributed to its rapid growth. Users simply need to open the app daily and click a button to mine Pi coins, making it an easy and convenient way to get involved in cryptocurrency. The promise of an accessible and user-friendly digital currency is a major draw. PiNetwork's vision is to build the world's most inclusive peer-to-peer marketplace, fueled by Pi, the world's most widely used cryptocurrency. This vision has resonated with users around the globe, who see PiNetwork as a way to participate in the digital economy without the barriers typically associated with traditional cryptocurrencies. PiNetwork aims to revolutionize how people interact with cryptocurrency. By making it easy for anyone to mine and use Pi coins, the network hopes to create a more inclusive financial system. The team behind PiNetwork is continuously working on developing new features and expanding the ecosystem to support a wide range of transactions and applications. However, PiNetwork's journey has been marked by speculation. As with any new cryptocurrency, there are questions about its long-term viability and potential value. Some critics argue that the project is overly ambitious, while others believe it has the potential to disrupt the cryptocurrency landscape. One persistent rumor is about its potential listing on Binance. Binance is one of the world's largest and most reputable cryptocurrency exchanges, and a listing there would be a significant endorsement of PiNetwork's legitimacy and potential. Binance is one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges. It offers a wide range of digital assets for trading and has a reputation for listing promising new projects. A listing on Binance would provide PiNetwork with increased visibility and access to a broader audience of investors and traders. A listing on Binance would be a significant milestone for PiNetwork. It would not only validate the project's credibility, but also potentially drive up the value of Pi coins as more people become aware of and interested in the project. It would bring increased visibility and credibility. As PiNetwork continues to grow and evolve, its community remains hopeful that the project will achieve its ambitious goals and become a major player in the cryptocurrency space. Despite the rumors, Binance has remained tight-lipped. There have been no official statements regarding the listing of Pi coin. This silence has fueled uncertainty and speculation within the PiNetwork community. Some eagerly anticipate the listing while others remain skeptical. The lack of official confirmation underscores the importance of relying on verified sources. Misinformation can spread rapidly in the digital age. It is crucial to approach rumors with caution. Traders and investors should wait for official announcements from Binance before making decisions. Binance has stringent criteria for listing cryptocurrencies. These criteria are designed to protect users and ensure the platform's integrity. One crucial factor is a project's level of decentralization. Binance favors projects that demonstrate a strong commitment to decentralization. Another important consideration is regulatory compliance. Binance must comply with regulations in all jurisdictions where it operates. Projects with potential regulatory hurdles may face challenges during the listing process. Binance prioritizes the safety and security of its users. Conflicting reports about Pi coin's potential listing have added to the confusion. Some sources claimed that Binance rejected Pi coin due to concerns about centralization. Others suggested that a community vote on Binance showed strong support for listing Pi coin. However, it is essential to remember that none of these reports have been officially confirmed. The lack of official statements from Binance makes it impossible to verify the accuracy of these claims. Traders and investors should exercise caution and avoid making decisions based on speculation. Section 5, Pi coin under the microscope, a technical perspective. Technical analysis provides insights into Pi coin's current market state. By examining historical price data and trading volumes, analysts can identify patterns and trends that may indicate future price movements. This method relies heavily on chart patterns and technical indicators to forecast potential market behavior. Analyzing technical indicators can help traders identify potential trends and make more informed decisions. These indicators, such as moving averages, Bollinger Bands, and Fibonacci retracement levels, provide valuable data points that can signal buying or selling opportunities. By understanding these signals, traders can better navigate the volatile cryptocurrency market. However, it is important to note that technical analysis should be used in conjunction with other forms of analysis. Fundamental analysis, which examines the underlying factors affecting a cryptocurrency's value, and sentiment analysis, which gauges market mood, are also crucial. Combining these approaches can provide a more comprehensive view of the market. One key indicator is the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, which measures the magnitude of recent price changes. The RSI helps determine whether a cryptocurrency is overbought or oversold, providing signals for potential price reversals. Traders often use RSI values to identify entry and exit points in the market. Another is the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD, which shows the relationship between two moving averages of prices. The MACD is particularly useful for identifying changes in the strength, direction, momentum, and duration of a trend. By analyzing the MACD, traders can gain insights into potential trend reversals and continuations. These indicators can provide insights into market momentum and potential trend reversals. By combining multiple technical indicators, traders can develop a more nuanced understanding of market dynamics. This holistic approach allows for more strategic decision-making, ultimately enhancing the potential for successful trading outcomes. Section 6. Riding the Waves, Market Volatility, and Community Sentiment. PiCoin has experienced significant price fluctuations since its launch. These fluctuations are not uncommon in the world of cryptocurrencies. Prices can swing dramatically within short periods. Traders and investors often find themselves on a roller coaster ride trying to predict the next move. Like many cryptocurrencies, it is known for its volatility. This inherent volatility can be both a risk and an opportunity. For some, it represents a chance to make significant profits in a short time, while for others, it can lead to substantial losses. The price of PiCoin can be influenced by a variety of factors, including market sentiment, news events, and regulatory developments. For instance, a positive news story or a favorable regulatory change can boost prices, while negative news or regulatory crackdowns can cause prices to plummet. Community sentiment plays a crucial role in the cryptocurrency market. The collective mood and opinions of the community can drive market trends. When the community is optimistic, it can lead to increased buying activity and higher prices. Positive sentiment can drive demand and push prices higher. This is often seen when there is a buzz around a new development or a successful milestone achieved by the cryptocurrency. Conversely, negative sentiment can lead to selling pressure and price declines. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt, often referred to as FUD, can spread quickly and cause panic selling. Understanding community sentiment is essential for navigating the cryptocurrency market. By keeping a pulse on the community's mood and staying informed about market trends, traders and investors can make more informed decisions and better manage the risks associated with market volatility. Section 7. A beacon in the digital mist, the importance of verified information. The lack of official statements from Binance underscores the importance of relying on verified sources of information. The cryptocurrency space is rife with misinformation and scams. Traders and investors must be vigilant in verifying information before making decisions. Reputable cryptocurrency news outlets, official project websites, and verified social media accounts are valuable sources of information. It is crucial to exercise caution and critical thinking when encountering information about cryptocurrencies. Protecting yourself from misinformation is paramount. Section 8. Gazing into the crystal ball, PiCoin's future prospects. PiNetwork's future remains uncertain. The project's success will depend on several factors, including its ability to achieve widespread adoption, develop a robust ecosystem, and navigate the evolving regulatory landscape. The cryptocurrency market is constantly evolving. What seems certain today may be outdated tomorrow. It is essential to stay informed about market trends, regulatory developments, and technological advancements. Flexibility and adaptability are crucial for success in the cryptocurrency space. Section 9. Staying ahead of the curve, The importance of informed engagement. As the cryptocurrency landscape continues to evolve, staying informed is more critical than ever. Traders and investors must actively seek out accurate and timely information to make sound decisions. Relying on speculation and rumors can lead to costly mistakes. Engaging with the cryptocurrency community is also essential. Participating in discussions, following industry experts, and joining online forums can provide valuable insights and perspectives. Remember, knowledge is power, especially in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrencies.